everyone, welcome back to the Tune Project. Today I'll be teaching you how to play the song Auld Lang Syne on the violin, so stay tuned. If you enjoy this video and end up finding it to be helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up below, and if you're not yet subscribed to the Tune Project, I post videos just like this one each and every week, so consider hitting that red subscribe button below, along with the notification bell so that you never miss when I upload a new video. Also, if you're interested, there is an extended version of this tutorial where I show you how to play the fiddle version of Auld Lang Syne you heard just a minute ago, and you can check that out on Patreon using the link in the description box below. As a reminder, the timestamps will be listed in the description below if you'd like to skip around, and you can always adjust the speed in your video settings. Now grab your fiddle and let's get into it. So for this one, we are in 4/4 time and the key of G major, and our first phrase begins on open D, and it goes like this. Moving on, we stay on the A string and we begin on our first finger B. So we had a little bit of a climb up to the E string from there, ending on our open E, and we stay on that open E to start our next phrase, which goes like this. Okay, again ending on an open A, just like we did in the first phrase. And for this next phrase, we're starting on our first finger B once again, and it has a rhythm that you will probably recognize. Okay, now we go from that G on the D string up to our open E. Okay, this next phrase starts the same way but ends a little bit differently, so listen carefully for these notes. So we're ending on that sustained open E, and this next phrase is exactly the same as the one we had just a couple of phrases ago, and as a reminder, it goes like this. And just be careful with that little string crossing there at the end from the A string to the D string and then back to the A string. All right, and then this last phrase starts on our B on the A string. And that is the whole song. That is all of Auld Lang Syne. So now that you've learned the whole thing, the whole melody, all of the rhythms, and all of the notes, let's go ahead and play it together at a slow tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Well, congratulations for learning Auld Lang Syne with me today. I hope you enjoyed learning that festive song. And again, if you're interested in checking out the extended edition of this tutorial, head on over to Patreon for access to that. And if you would like to take a look at the sheet music, it is available in my digital sheet music library, which you can find the link to in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Happy New Year, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy practicing.